Thinking of starting a business in Wales? If you're looking to set up a limited company, you are in the right place. Starting your own business is an exciting adventure, but it can feel a little daunting too. If forming a limited company in Wales sounds like the right path, then you're already making smart steps towards building a strong foundation for your business. But where do you begin? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, making it as easy as possible. By the end of this video, you'll know what it takes to start a Ltd company in Wales. If you want to make the process even smoother, I highly recommend checking out First Formations. They are the leading company formation agent in the UK, trusted by over 1 million businesses since 2014. They can get your company registered within 24 hours, and they also offer services like business address options and compliance support. They are the experts in UK company registration, so you can rest assured your business will be in safe hands. The link to their website is in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, meaning if you use it, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my channel. Thank you, and now let's dive in. Step 1. Is a limited company right for you? Before diving into the details, let's consider whether a Ltd company is the best fit for your business. This decision is key as it affects how you operate, pay taxes, and even attract investors. Ltd company in Wales, like elsewhere in the UK, is legally separate from its owners. It has its own finances, distinct from personal finances, and it allows you to bring on shareholders to invest. Any profits can be retained after paying taxes, and the structure is therefore ideal for profit-making ventures. Still unsure if this is the right structure for you? There are government-backed schemes that can help you figure it out, so check them out. If a Ltd company feels like the right choice, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Picking the right name. Choosing a name is one of the most fun steps, but there are rules to follow. In Wales, like the rest of the UK, your company name must end typically with Limited or Ltd. It can't be offensive or too similar to an existing company's name. You will want to use the company name availability checker to ensure your name is unique. There's a link to the checker in the description. And if you'd like to trade under a different name, that's okay too. It's known as a business name, separated from your registered name. Ready to pick the perfect name? Let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Choosing directors and a company secretary. Now you've got your name. That's great. Now it's time to decide who will run your company. Every Ltd company must have at least one director, responsible for recordings, filings, and overall performance. Filing accounts and tax returns on time is also a key, and appointing company secretary, though optional, may ease this administrative load. Step 4. Deciding on shareholders or guarantors. Now, let's talk about ownership. Most Ltd companies in Wales are limited by shares, meaning they're owned by shareholders. If it's just you, you own 100% of the company, but you can bring in others as there's no limit to the number of shareholders. You can set a low share value, like £1, to minimize liability. Shareholders can receive dividend payments, but remember, dividends are taxable. Check HMRC's website for more on the tax implications. It's important to think this through as part of your long-term business strategy. Step 5. Identifying people with significant control. This step is all about transparency. A PSC, or person with significant control, is someone who holds over 25% of shares or voting rights of the company. If someone can appoint or remove directors, they're also a PSC. This step is crucial for ensuring business transparency, particularly if you have multiple shareholders. In Wales, you need to report this information to Companies House to stay compliant. If your business structure is complex, consider getting professional advice to get this step right from the start. Also, check the government's full PSC guide on their website. Step 6. Preparing the essential documents for running the company. Now, let's cover the paperwork. To run a Ltd company in Wales, you need two key documents: the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. The memorandum is a legal agreement to form the company and is created automatically if you register online. The Articles of Association outline the company's rules, from decision-making to shareholder rights. You can use a standard version or customize it to fit your business-specific needs. It's worth getting legal advice to ensure everything is in order. Step 7. Keeping your company's records in order. Maintaining good records is vital to running a successful business. In Wales, as in the rest of the UK, you need to track details like directors, shareholders, and PSCs. You'll also need to keep records of resolutions, financial transactions, and any loans or mortgages. You must keep these records for at least 6 years. So, hiring a professional accountant is a good idea to ensure your tax compliance, as HMRC may check your records. Step 8. Registering your company. Finally, it's time to officially register your company. You'll do this through Companies House, providing a registered office address in Wales, which will be publicly available. You'll also need to select a standard industrial classification code that best describes your business. You can usually register for corporation tax at the same time. Once your registration is complete, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation, proof that your company legally exists. You are now ready to start your business journey in Wales. And that's it. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to get started with your Ltd company in Wales. If you feel like you need a bit more detail, be sure to check out the UK government's official step-by-step guide on setting up a limited company. It's always a good idea to read directly from the source to ensure you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information. I've linked this guide to the description for you. And if you want to avoid the hassle and make the setup process easy, consider checking out First Formations through my link in the descriptions as well. Using the help of the experts in UK company registration gives you more time to focus on growing your business. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you the best luck with your new business.